Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Friday. It's Friday. I hope everyone is doing great, guys. But the market is not actually doing great. The market has been stuck, going up and down. We had some consolidation, and at least yesterday the market started trying to push the upside. But guess what? We had a buy pending order on top of that resistance, and it seems like now the market is coming back again, which is very bad because the market just touched our positions, but there's nothing that we can do. Actually, this week we had some very few trades, which is okay because we follow the rules. So this week actually it wasn't profitable, or it wasn't actually good, you see. But for those who wants to join the team, don't hesitate, guys. It's time for you to learn something. You see, what I've realized is there's people who mostly don't know anything, and they think like they know, you see, but still the results are still the same. And there's people who already know that they don't know, but they are hesitate. So like they don't really want to learn. They feel like maybe they will find some shortcuts somewhere. Please learn, guys. There are so many people that you can learn from. And if you want to learn from me, if maybe you feel like my style of teaching is great, yes, that will be great. There it's my contact. It's 150. Actually, it's yearly membership. You join, then you have to enjoy like 12 months of mentorship and VIP signals. Those are my contacts. You can just WhatsApp me or Telegram me. So what happened now, or Friday like this? Actually, today I don't even hope to be like doing anything in the market, as I saw what the market is doing. The market is like going up and down, so that is not actually a good thing for us, especially this week, as we already saw that the market was seriously consolidating. So let's just go straight to the chart. So what we see here on the chart is Bitcoin. So whatever that really happened on other market, even on Bitcoin, you can easily see that. You see, yes, we are still on a downtrend, as I always show you here. You can see that this thing was pushing lower. You can see even inside here, we also had something as a resistance. Guess what? The market pushed up and then came back again to show that things are not really positive in the market. Now is then trying to push the upside, but you can see that it's actually struggling. So this should tell us something, that you know what, there is still enough stuff that is going on the market. But remember, today there is NFP. Maybe we will see something happening in the market. So let's try to push the next one. The next one actually, it's German 40 or DAX40, or still German 30. So what's really happening here is the market was actually on a downtrend. This was a very nice one, by the way. The market was going down nicely. You can see that we had a very nice resistance. Guess what? We had a breakout around that area, and that's where I just want to zoom for now. And guess what? The market actually started pushing to the upside after that breakout, and we see the market started trying to create a move like consolidation, and now it seems like the market wants to push the upside. And guess what? We had an order on top of that, because actually this is an uptrend. We're expecting the market to push the upside. We're expecting the market to push the upside. So but now it seems like the market is reversing. So it means if it pushes lower, we will end up losing that trade. So as a trader, what will you do if maybe the market just touched your order and now it's going against you? What can you do, or what must you do? The first thing that you can do is to relax. If the market is going against you, there is nothing that you can do. It's up for the market whether to push up or maybe to keep going down. We have no control over the market. So if you took that loss, yes, learn something, that okay, maybe the market is still or maybe the market still wants to consolidate, something like that. But know that you can control the market, and that will help you not to over risk, you see. And with that, obviously, I see our stop loss was there. Obviously, for those who took this trade, obviously they are out. But what do we see from here? I still see that actually the market can still push the upside. I still see that the market might still push the upside, or this, as we had a bullish move yesterday, so maybe this wants to respect this area of resistance. But it seems like the market actually moved above that area. The market actually moved above that area, and now you can see the market moved above that area. That's why we had a buy, but now the market is back. So we will see if the market will keep pushing up, or maybe if the market will push going lower. But I'm expecting maybe the market to at least keep pushing up. But if that doesn't happen, it's fine. There's nothing we can do. We just have to stay back and see where our mistake, and to correct them on the next signals or on the next analysis, you see. So what is this? We are on gold. So on gold, we also have similar move here. On gold, we have a similar move. So what's really happening is the move, you can see we were out, we just broke out of that downtrend. Then the market started to consolidate above this area as a resistance. Actually, we had a buy pending order there, and the market just now is starting to push the lower side. So which means the market is not really doing great, guys. The market is actually not doing great. Every trade that we take, the market seems to be going against us. But why is that? It's because there is enough news that are going on around the market. So the market, instead of the market creating some nice moves, like maybe a nice breakout, push up like that, the market is not doing that. So we should understand that if the market is not doing that, we have to know what we can do. We have to know if the market is reacting like this, what can you do? You just relax, stay out of the market, learn something different, and try to improve your trading, you see. So what we see is, yes, I'm still believing that this thing might still push to the upside very nicely. Why? Because we just broke out of this resistance. So it means now the market might be consolidating, but I'm expecting the market to shoot to the sky or to the moon very soon, very soon. Yes, we can say maybe the market will change that if maybe the market keeps going lower and even maybe breaking this area. Then we will say, yeah, maybe the market is trying to create something else. But now, nope. We can just say the market is just maybe trying to reverse, but we just need to wait. So we are on US oil. I just want to make this video a bit quicker. So what's really happening on US oil? You can see nicely that we still on an uptrend. The uptrend is still pushing, and we also have a counter trend here. And yesterday, obviously, you can see we had a buy pending order there. The market pushed up, and if maybe they're still holding, obviously they are still maybe. It's easier for you to see that if they're still holding, they might be still in that profit. So let me remove that. I was just showing someone because mostly after this area, it's where we can just continue to scale up if the market is going up. But this one is simple because the market actually created the simplest move that we always talk about. You can see the market pushed from this area, came back again. Now we're expecting the market to push up again. Yes, there is a chance again for the market to come back and push the sky. Yes, another option or another possibility is that the market might still push the lower side. That is possible. That is possible. That must always be on your table. But currently we are on a we are on a bullish move. We are on a bullish move, so we should expect for the market to push the upside. Simple as that. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Yeah, this is what I actually did yesterday on US30. What is happening is after we got out of this downtrend, we saw the market starting to push the upside. While the market was still pushing to the upside, we saw a structure. This structure, you can see the market is actually consolidating, and unfortunately on US30 the market did not even try to push and break this area. That's why we did not have any signal for that. So Now it seems like, yes, the market is actually respecting this area very nicely. We can even drop that maybe up to this area, but it's fine there. So it shows that actually the market is actually consolidating, and that it's something that we should be aware of. Don't just get into the market when the market is creating something like that. So we can get our trades maybe above this resistance, but still the market can still create anything that it wants. So whatever that the market is going to do, it's up to the market. So for now, what I can say is the market is actually consolidating, and when the market is consolidating, mostly the market will just create a fake breakouts, come back very quickly, and that on the other side, it might tend to be some losses that we face on the market, and that's how it is. We can't run away from that. But what we can do is we don't have to participate in this area. Only above this area will be expecting the market to go to the upside. Yes, there's a chance that the market can still push lower or even break this area, and then we can say, oh, the market is now back on that bearish move again. Then we can try to adjust maybe our resistance and see if maybe there's something really happening in the market. But still, remember, there is NFP today. There's a chance maybe for the market, maybe that might maybe push the market to the upside or maybe to the lower side. Anything is possible. Anything is possible. So let's push to the next one, which is NASDAQ. Which is NASDAQ. My favorite one, by the way, even if it's disappointing currently. So what's really happening? We have a very nice structure, by the way. The structure, it's simple, straightforward. The market was going down very nicely, and guess what? The market broke out of that resistance, which was very strong, by the way. That was very strong, by the way. So what's really happening is now, or currently, the market is actually consolidating. Guess what? The market pushed up yesterday, and we said above this area we can have a buy pending order there. And guess what? The market did touch our order, and now it's going bad. I mean, going back or going against us, which is very bad, guys. But you know, it's only bad when you're over risking, when you're fighting the market, when you don't want to be wrong. Yes, we sometimes go wrong, and most of the time we do go wrong, but mostly like 90% of the time or 80% of the time, yes, we are profitable. So if this week was not fruitful, it doesn't mean like every day is gonna be the same way, you see. But the best thing that you can do is just make sure that when we come back tomorrow, you will be able to come back and trade. Make sure that you still have something to trade with, because if you go all in on one single trade, then that is going to be a problem. Remember, there is a video for trading plan which I have sent. You can just go and watch that. That can also help you. That can also help your trading career. Simple as that. So what's really happening here? After this push up here, we expected the market to break this area, and the market did that. And above here, you can see we have one, two, or let's say two candlesticks closed above that area. Even if we actually don't really look at those, but as long as the market was closing above that area, we're just expecting to buy, and we did push it a bit higher, so that if it touches that, it will be a confirmation that the market is going up. But guess what? Now the market is going down, so it means the market is not really doing great. And unfortunately, this is also happening on German 40. It's also created a same move, pushed up a little bit, then now it's trying to push lower. But maybe we can wait a little bit, maybe the market can still push the upside. But what can you do when things are not going well in the market? The best thing that you can do is sometimes you just need to rest. Sometimes you just need to ignore trading. It's still going to be here tomorrow. It's still going to be here the next day, the next year, next year. So to just wait 2 days or 1 day just to rest, there's nothing wrong with that. As long as you can refresh and you're not going to fight the market, you're not going to revenge the market. That is the best thing that you can do for yourself, because you save in your account. You save in your account. So I'm hoping that people, they will understand and learn something. But for those who want to learn from the best, here is the contacts that you can just contact me. It's 150, 12 months straight, mentorship and VIP signals. Just WhatsApp or Telegram, even Bitcoin payment, it's available. So for those who maybe want to learn more, guys, there is few topics that I already did. Just go through the channel, you will see some great topics, and I'm still going to do more. Actually, I'm still going to record enough videos just to help you. And yesterday I took like almost 10 topics that I'm going to cover. I'm still going to prepare those, and I'm going to also share those videos. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends, guys. Like, share with your friends later on. Or remember, today it's Friday, around before NFP we need to go live. Maybe we can get something great, but besides that, there's nothing that we can do. Let's just wait the market do its thing before we act. Let's wait for the market to do its thing before we say, okay, let's jump on the market. Simple as that. We don't really have to fight the market. If we lost, it's fine. If this week was not profitable, there's nothing wrong with that. We're not supposed to be ashamed with that. Then that's great. Next week, we come back with a positive mindset again, and we go on it. As long as we don't blow accounts, that's great. That's great. The best thing is learn. And I already showed you my contacts. If you want to learn, just let me know. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bow.